Yo guys, and welcome back to Newtonfx Academy. My name is King GK, and on today's video we're just gonna take a look and do a review on Mambafx to see how did he become a multi-millionaire forex trader. Let's go and jump into this video, guys. Bye.
What's poppin', Snake Gang? Welcome back to another video. I really quickly just want to apologize. I haven't posted in a while. Been going through a lot of court issues, you know. Let me just say this, man. Don't get married and don't have kids.
What? How old is this guy?
Unless you're like 100% ready to be with that one person for a while. It's just complicated shit, guys. A lot of complicated shit I've been going through. Finally starting to get back to, you know, kind of being normal, being single, and everything's just...
Yo, this guy has some drip, right? Look at that chains, guys. Look at that chains. Oh, look, there's a goat as well. So he's like a forex goat. Yeah, let's go. Let's see.
Kind of back to how it should be. So expect more videos again. Expect, you know, the free chat to go up, shit like that. And, you know, if you guys do want to follow the free chat or get my learning shit, all that good shit, it's all down below. So just go to the links. You'll see all that shit. I'm starting my music channel and everything like that as well. So if you guys do want to get in some giveaways, man, just follow my music.
Whoa, so you say this guy has some boss as well. Let me pause some. Yo, I started from the bottom, now I'm here. Looking through the looking through the mirror. But I don't see you near. Oh fuck, I just fucking with you guys. Let's jump into this.
Instagram, it's all down below. I'll link that down below.
Young problem. Okay.
So it's gonna be you know, just obviously music. I don't know what really else there is to say about that, I guess. Follow my regular Instagram at Mambafx Trading. And yeah, I guess we could just hop right into this video. That's kind of all I had to say. Oh, the Rolls-Royce. You guys haven't seen the Rolls-Royce yet, so let me go show you that real quick.
Okay.
All right, guys, so took the Rolls-Royce.
Oh, that looks sexy. That is what I call looking sexy. That is what I'm called dripping out, flexing, right? Look at it. Yeah.
Everything that was chrome or silver, whatever you want to call it, ended up blacking out. So now it's just got like this white look with the black everything. They literally blacked out everything, like the rims. Super sexy. Grill. The ornament right here is blacked out now. You know, black. I didn't blacked out the windows so you can't see nothing, or should I say tinted.
Oh, that is fucking sexy, bro.
Sorry, Jesus, get off my dick. Also blacked out the back headlights.
Yeah. Whoa, that city's black tinted. Whoa, black smoke of backlights. Damn, son.
Here's my license plate. All of that being said, man, I just want to thank you guys for coming back to another video. You know I love you guys, man. I really feel like you guys are the best fan base in all of the Forex kind of community, just because, you know, we could actually talk, be funny with each other, and it's just better that way than being all serious with a suit on type shit. What the fuck is that about? But without any further ado, man, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys let me know down below. Comment some suggestions on videos you guys want to see, and you know, I think that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Really quick, disclaimer, this is only Forex money. This is all that I've made trading Forex by itself. This is not my other businesses, nothing else I do on the side, no side hustles, none of that. This is strictly...
Oh, facts. These only forex money, say. No side hustle, anything, guys. Only FX money. Let's see a story.
Trading Forex and how much I've made in 2 years. So let's get into the video.
Oh, let's just fast forward quickly, man, guys. This video is gonna be long.
Do you know what the most valuable thing in the world is? It's not diamonds or paintings or big houses.
What now?
It's someone who really knows what.
Come on.
In a span of 2 years. This literally sounds like one of those ads that pop up on Facebook, and I'm trying to get you guys to join. I started off kind of just, you know, normal human shit, working my 9 to 5s, selling drugs, doing dumb shit, very dumb shit.
Whoa, selling drugs? What, like cocaine or what?
That I regret doing forever, and I always will. And, you know, life was hard, man. I got my first apartment with my girlfriend at the time. I was underage, she was above age.
Oh, shit. How old is this guy?
So she had to get it in her name, but we really couldn't afford it. We kind of just jumped into it, and it was like kind of a dumb decision, to be honest. We definitely shouldn't have done that because it was like the most stressful shit ever. We ended up having a baby, and we ended up not being able to pay for our bills like we thought we could. And that's when I started.
Yo, that is facts, guys. That is facts. A lot of shit is going on with a world where the man cannot uh, supply with money, broke as fuck. Right? That shit happens every single day.
To, get into selling drugs and doing dumb shit.
Nigga gotta do what a nigga gotta do.
As you guys know, that's a part of my life. Like I'll try not to ever look back at, but of course I'm gonna tell you guys about it because we're family now, so you guys should know everything like that. And shit was bad. Shit was really bad. Okay. And out of nowhere one day, I'm sitting there and life couldn't have gotten any worse for us at this point. But I get a phone call from a friend of mine from high school, and I'm like, well, I haven't talked to this motherfucker in years. Like, what is he calling me about? Okay. I answered the phone, and it turns out, he's making all this money doing something. I don't know what he was talking about. He was trading Forex, but at the time I'm like, what the fuck is Forex? It don't make no sense. He's making all this money from his phone, he's turning his phone into an ATM is what he said. And just all kinds of crazy shit. And I'm like, life's so bad right now, I might as well take a chance. Okay? This was IML. Okay? He was signing me up for IML.
I remember INL as well, guys. It's always like that network marketing stuff where people trying to recruit you. I know this shit. I know that stuff. I was in IML as well.
IML, and I had no idea at the time. So I signed up, and time went by as they're trying to teach me this stuff, and I get everything they're saying, and I'm applying everything that they're teaching me, but it's not working. It seems like the markets are just going against me, and I'm just losing more and more and more and more money, and it's unfortunate. Like, really thought this was going to work out for me. Started to realize that they really just wanted to recruit people, and kind of sucked because I'm shy. I didn't want to go out and recruit people and make money off people, and I know they're going to lose money like I'm losing money. I was not about that life. That's terrible. So I ended up leaving IML, quitting Forex completely. I'm done. I don't want nothing to do with it. I think it's just a scam. I think IML uses it to just lure people in and do whatever the fuck they're going to do with you. Sacrifices and shit. Time goes by, and I'm like, you know what? What if Forex is legit? Because yeah, I might have lost money, but anybody that was doing the opposite of what I was doing was making money.
Yeah, that shit is still happening today, guys. A lot of people is still losing a lot of money during this game, and from my perspective, Forex is not a scam, and you can basically make money every single day from the market, but you must be willing to lose as well. That is where proper risk management comes into play. So let's jump to this video again.
So I really started to put the time in, and I really started to study the markets, and this is where I kind of spent sleepless nights over and over again. Just
Yo, that remind me of myself. Fuck, you have to put in that late night oils on that charts. Yeah, you have to.
watching the markets, trading the markets, demoing the markets, putting in $100 usually, and losing it. But I started to see these patterns that were happening, these different patterns the markets was making, and I started to kind of get a feel for it. I started to get price action a lot more. Okay, now I started with $0. Okay. I ended up gathering about $100, okay, into my name. Obviously, I had more than that because I had to pay bills and shit, but I had $100 that I was like, I'm going to take this $100 and I'm going to just slowly build it up. And I think my biggest problem was I was moving too fast. I was trying to make these big trades out of a $100 account, and that's why I kept losing. I was taking $30 losses, $40 losses, account gone. Okay, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to actually risk 5% max per.
Whoa, that is one problem that I still have with my students as well, guys. They want to grow so fast because why they are so caught up with what is so on social media like Instagram. Everybody's just posting their profit of the day, and then you want to get into the market late, try to buy and whatever, guys. This is a process, right? And you must trust the process. You must trust yourself basically during the process and just grow steadily, right? That's facts.
Trade and see what happens. Okay, took that $100 in the first I want to say month, and this was after I started to really get the markets. I started to really study the markets. Things started to really catch my eye differently. I was seeing things in different ways, and I took that $100 in the first month, and I think I turned it into like $250. That's 150% gain, or Yeah, 100. I'm so bad at math. I don't even know how I got here in the first place. But I think 150% gain in the first month, and I thought that was amazing. Okay, I did risk a little more than I said I was going to risk, maybe 10% sometimes, certain different numbers, whatever. But my risk reward ratios were good. It was always 1 to 3, 1 to 2, sometimes, but mostly 1 to 3s, and I kind of just started letting my trades hit my take profit instead of taking it so early.
Whoa, guys, that is also a fact, right? I know a lot of guys who's trading a 1-to-1 ratio and they expect they will grow their account steadily. It's only gonna take you one loss to be down 1 point again, guys. So keep that in mind.
And I think that's another thing, and that's a tip for you guys that you guys can really take into your minds and really start to use. Do not take trades early. Let them hit your take profits just like you're going to let them hit your stop loss. Okay? The best thing I can say is take half profit at like 1 to 1 and then let the rest run to your take profit 3 and kind of just put your stop loss at break even. That's like the biggest tip I can give you guys, but never just take all your profits early because you're scared or because you really want that money and you're seeing your money go up and down and you're just nervous. That's where forex trading is going to kill you. If you can't hold a trade and you can't actually let it hit your take profits, you're going to get butchered out there. And this is something that's going to take more long term to actually see the profits come in, because you might lose a couple trades, win a big trade, lose a few trades, but overall for the month you're going to see you're more positive. And that's the biggest key in forex trading, is to look at the big picture. Don't look at the daily or, oh my god, look at this 1 week I made this much or I lost this much. No, look at the month. How would you do that month? Using good risk to rewards, just practicing all the guidelines that you have to keep for yourself, using your strategy consistently. Then you can start to see what's going on. But don't look at it after one day and be like, wow, this is terrible. But no, with that being said, man, okay, so I turned it to 250, and from there on I kind of just did the same thing month in and month out, and I slowly grew it to about $1,000. Okay, consistency wise, it was up and down. I was making some months I made a lot, some months I made a little, but eventually, okay, this is where forex trading really took a big turn for me, and this is where my win percentages just went up like enormously. So this is where my trades actually, like, the profits were going up greatly. I pretty much started to develop this little strategy that involved a Fibonacci. And let me tell you something, guys, I didn't really
Whoa, that Fibonacci strategy. I have some as well, so let's hear what's his strategy.
know what a Fibonacci was at first, and I was still successful, but it was a little inconsistent. Sometimes I'd have bad weeks, good weeks, good weeks, good weeks, bad weeks, bad weeks, good weeks, good weeks, good weeks, and so on. So it was going up, but slowly. Once I discovered the Fibonacci, oh my god, guys, let me just tell you something. If there's any tip that I can give you in the entire world, it's to motherfucking practice, learn, and adapt to, or practice, learn, use, master the Fibonacci, because that Fibonacci tool is fucking insane. That is the best tool ever made, and it will boost you so far.
Yeah, guys, you can use the Fibonacci, but still you must understand market structure and how price is basically moving, right? You cannot just use your Fibonacci from where you want to use it, right? You must basically understand your Fibonacci, right? I'm using Fibonacci as well, but I don't use it on a regular basis. I only use it to see how far can price retrace back and all of it. But the Fibonacci have a power, but if you understand it, guys, it will help you. That's facts.
Ask Lambo Raul, ask Daniel Savage, ask any of the top traders. You can even ask Swaggy. I'm pretty sure he uses it too. And speaking of Swaggy, I don't know what happened, and we haven't talked in a minute.
Hey, you, get over here. Oh, I know what it is. You're afraid.
Ask any of those traders, man, and they will tell you that the Fibonacci tool is fucking godly. You have to use your Fibonacci. It's a beautiful tool. And that is where fucking shit started to go crazy for me. Once I saw what the Fibonacci could do and I could see these entries, like perfect entries using the Fibonacci, things got really crazy. And if you guys really want to know how I use my Fibonacci, stuff like that, I'm pretty sure I have videos on YouTube teaching that shit all the time. If not, then no, I do. I don't know what I'm saying. If not, there's videos of me using the Fibonacci and like how I use the Fibonacci. So go watch those videos if you're still confused. Also, use the bull in your band strategy. That's like the mobile strategy on my channel. Go watch that video too, because that will help you. If you use the
Yo, Guys, if you're new, you say there's a few strategies that you guys can check out about Fibonacci and all of that. So if you're new to the game, you can check out Fibonacci strategies. But one thing I can promise you guys, learn the process and try to understand how price is basically moving. That's my opinion, straight up.
Fibonacci with that strategy, you're gonna get some serious results. And I'm not even just saying that. Like, I promise you, if you like do it the right way, you're gonna get serious results. So, anyways, moving forward and moving on. Once I mastered that Fibonacci, man, I really started to boost profits. I really started to see consistent gains, like 80% win rates, just crazy shit. So I started to target GBP JPY, gold, GBP USD, you know, GBP odds sometimes, and then also US 30, and like those are cool too, but
There's also some of my pairs, guys, like GJ, that's my number one, and there's 100, as you guys noticed by now. That is the two pairs that I'm fucking with.
I try to stay away from those when I have a small account because they will literally drain your account so fast. So I took that 250, moved up to 1,000, you know, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Eventually I was at $10,000, and this took about 6-7 months. It took a while, but it was definitely worth the wait. And I know I struggled for those 6 or 7 months financially, but it was definitely worth the wait. Once I got $10,000 in my account, I never dipped below, like I said. Never dipped below that 10 grand. Always kept that going for a couple months, okay?
He probably got his edge at that time, guys, you see. So during the process, how he's basically telling how did he comes up, he developed the Fibonacci strategy, and now he's just growing his account consistently. He's basically finding his edge in trading, guys, and that will happen for all of you guys who's watching this video here today. You will find your trading edge only by not watching it other traders. That's facts.
A couple months go by, and I really started to push things because this Fibonacci was fucking insane. Like, I was just, you're gonna lose always. You're always gonna lose in Forex, but it was like I was losing so very little that I just felt so confident taking some of these crazy big trades. And I remember having my first $20,000 day. Okay.
Yo, 20K day.
$20,000 made. My account was only at $50,000, and I made $20,000 in one day. All I did was scalp gold and GBP JPY using my Fibonacci tool for the whole day. $20,000 fucking dollars in one day. Okay, go watch my Rolls-Royce video. You'll see Daniel Savage actually talk about that day. Just insane.
If you guys want to see in the next video, comment down below. I will do a video about Daniel Savage. I will do another reaction video as well, guys. Just give your boy a subscribe and a comment down below, guys. Let's get into it.
Just a fucking crazy day. $20,000 in one day. That was intense. It was fucking beautiful though. Okay, so I turned 50,000 into 70 grand in one fucking day, and I was like, holy shit. I could have just lost this whole account. But I was so confident in my Fibonacci tool, so confident in my trading that I knew I would get it back. And don't ever trade like this. Like, this is not a tip to do unless you're like
facts. That's facts, guys. You cannot trade like that. You will blow that account if you don't have the knowledge. You will fucking blow your account, and then you will have to start all over again, and that is fucking silly.
Anything. Don't ever trade like this. Like, I'm just giving you guys the story, the full truth breakdown. I don't want to lie about anything and say, oh, I used good risk management. No, my risk management was kind of shitty, you know. Okay. After that 20 grand day, I kind of got done. I kept doing it, and I kept going crazy, and I did a lot. I risked a lot, but it paid off. Okay. It paid off big time, because by the time I had a $100,000 account, I kind of just, I don't know, I fell into this pattern, and I literally thank God every day. I fell into this pattern of just making these huge fucking profits over and over again, and it's just, nowadays when I look back at it, I'm like, Jesus, like, that was fucking just insane. But I think a lot of it has to do with when you're broke for so long and you don't have money, and you're trying to survive, and you're at such a young age, you're not even an adult yet, and you're trying to make all this money, and it's just, you know, it's hard, you know, trying to pay for your own house at a young age. You got a kid, and like, you know, your girl gets pregnant again, and you really just need money. You don't care. You risk a lot, and you just.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
pray. But if you have that good win percentage and shit, I guess it's just, I don't know. I really don't. It's just, like I said, I thank God every day. I really do. Okay? Nowadays, I have a major six-figure account, and I do not ever go below a certain number. And I try to shoot for 10% a month, 15% a month. I don't have to trade as aggressively anymore because I have such a big account. And it fucking paid off for me to be so stressed and go through what I had to go through.
Yeah, and one more thing, guys, it will pay off the end of the day. Another fact, it will pay off the end of the day. If you just stick and trust the process and follow your trading plan, it will pay off. That's facts.
But it paid off for me big. I guess the moral of the story is, man, the thing I'm trying to really get in your guys' heads is that you have to put in the time. Okay, this is not something that's gonna happen overnight.
Most def, guys, it's not a microwave success, right? This is not like you put 2-minute noodles in a microwave and expect it to have the results. No, in this game, guys, it's gonna take time, right? It's gonna take time.
2 years is not overnight, because in those 2 years I struggled very, very, very largely. I struggled so much, it's actually kind of ridiculous how much I struggled. But Forex is so rewarding if you really put the time and you really start to really develop these key components to your trading that are just going to set you over the top. It's all worth it in the end. It really is. The stress, the no sleeping, it's worth it. Because nowadays, guess what? I can sleep in and I feel fine. I can go a day without trading and I feel great. Back then, I already forgot what it felt like to struggle back then because I'm already living so fucking good now. It's quite amazing, to be 100% honest with you. But with that being said, man, I really, really want you guys to study that fucking Fibonacci more than anything, man. I really want you guys to take, if you're going to take anything from this video, take that whole Fibonacci speech and really, really, really start to develop that skill set, because that Fibonacci can take you so far. Ridiculously far that you guys don't even know. It's kind of fucking insane. But that's pretty much the story. I mean, there was so much more in between. I'm not going to get into it. It'll be like an hour-long video. But that's kind of how I started, man. I started with IML, didn't work out, came back, and really, really, really put the time and really started to study. You know, there was nights where I got 2 hours of sleep just studying. You have to have that dedication if you want to go
Facts.
anywhere. You really
That's facts, guys. You have to put in the time. Like I'm repeating myself, you have to put in the time. If you really want to have the rewards, you must put in the time. Facts.
fucking do. Okay? The fuck was that? No, but seriously. Study. Work hard. Dedicate yourself. And please, please don't give up. That's where traders mess up, and that's where life starts to take its bad turns, is when you give up and you just stop dedicating yourself and you say, you know what, this isn't for me. I'm going to stop. That's where things really start to go really shitty. Don't give up. Okay? Always remember that you will make it if you really put in the time. And always remember that you are going to get there. You just have to stop. You have to not ever stop. Like, you have to keep pushing and pushing and pushing. Okay? I love you guys, man. Like I said, I'm back. If you guys really want to see a video on kind of like how I developed that Fibonacci.
Okay, guys, there was a lot of valuable information how he become a multi-millionaire trader, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you guys want to see more of this type of reaction videos, guys, give your boy a comment in the description box down below, and don't forget to give your boy the King GK a subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.